Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are officially halfway through and finally under the iOS environment. I believe you're going to like this one. For one simple reason actually, according to my experience, it's the lack of the need of extra dependencies. In this product we only need 3 dependencies, which gonna make our development experience so enjoyable under the iOS environment. And if you have made it this far, congratulations, you are a legend. So far, we have implemented the web version of our application and the Android application, and you have basically done it in a native way. There is no shortcuts so far. As usual, you know the drill by now. We're going to prepare our project for the next tutorial. I'm going to add some assets here and there. We're going to set some configurations for our project. For the other tutorial, basically it's going to be core module of our app. The same thing that we have done under Kotlin. Without further ado, let's jump right in. As usual, I would like to start from scratch so we can be on the same page. Create a brand new project. It's gonna be for iOS. Choose application, hit next. The name of the application Pocket Goods. We're gonna use SwiftUI. The language is Swift. XCTest for test cases or to conduct the test, and hit next. And we are now under a brand new project. I would like to add some assets to our application, basically the app icon, in order to configure this under the Pocket Goods configuration. Let's get this out of the way. Accent color right off the bat. I'm going to add here a color, basically, to be set as the accent color for the application. It's going to be basically almost white. Click on this particular icon and make sure to have the appearance to none. Click on Show Color Palette. This is basically the accent color, all right? Now let's move to the app icon. Just download the whole project and make sure to choose the starting or project configuration branch. There you're gonna find the related icon set, a folder structure like this. Choose app icon, and we have the dedicated app icon. So how to add them to the project? It's very simple. We are interested in iOS. And for the record, this application is not targeted Mac OS or Watch OS, so we don't care actually about this. And choose for the appearance none, basically for the iOS, all sizes, all right? And we have to fill in the blanks here. For example, for the 40 pixel, I'm gonna just drop it here. I'm gonna look for the 60, drop it here. 58, drop it here, and so on till you finish all the icon set. All right, that's basically it. By doing so, you're gonna end up with something like this. I haven't provided the 128 and 192 and 136 because I was relying on a tool on the internet, and I took just this icon, and the tool is going to convert it to the related size, if you will. I don't think it's going to make a difference, to be honest, but basically this is the icon set. I would like to add here the full logo with the same manner. You're gonna find it under this particular folder. Choose full logo. Anywhere under this particular section, right click, new image set. Let's name it full logo. It's gonna be universal. For the rest, it's pretty straightforward. Now open the folder that you have downloaded, and for this one, it's going to be placed here. 3x, it's going to be placed here. And you're going to have something that looks like this, all right? And we are done basically with the assets. Now under the Pocket Goods, let's configure this project. We are not interested in Apple Vision nor Mac. We're going just to set the destination to iPhone and iPad. For the minimum deployments, let's leave it at this. For the app category, I'm going to choose here shopping. It's just a personal preference, and Pocket Goods as the display name. We have the app icon that we have defined previously, and this configuration is ready to go. There is one other stuff that we have to prepare here, basically, is we need to set private IP address to the trusted, non-secured IP address. Because we're going to make our API call, we need to add this under the sandbox by choosing info. Underneath, look for application and transport security settings, hit enter. Under the same section, application transport security settings, add here exception domains, hit enter, and here we're going to add a new item, all right? The localhost, and you can find it under the sandbox being added under the app settings transport security. You can add here another item. Let's add, for example, 129.168.1.6. Basically, this is the local IP address or private local IP address. You can find your local IP address by running Spotlight and look for terminal and make this particular command efconfig, copy this and paste it here. All right. For the code, let's make sure that it's been done correctly under info. Let's open it as code. And we have the correct one, actually. We are interested only in this particular one. We're going to use basically this private IP address in order to make our API call. We're not interested in this one. All right. That's all for this particular section. Let's configure the pocket goods test. Let's remove all of those platforms. Likewise for this one. As you can see here, we have the icon that we have done under the app icon. And our project is ready to go. For the next tutorial, we're going to create the first module, which is the core module of our application. So see you in the next video and happy coding.